Hello. This is going to be a short video. We're just going to talk about drains. When a machine requires a drain, drain tubing like this, it's best to use an open drain. The term open drain is some sort of an air gap. So at the end of this tube where this is going to drain down into, this drops through the air into something. It's not connected directly to a fitting somewhere else. So you have one side of the tubing going to the machine. You want to make sure that's always going downhill. You don't want to have any kind of loops like this because water is going to sit in that loop and it's not going to drain properly. And if you have this connected to a piece of equipment and it's running nice and downhill, but you have this, if this is connected directly to a fitting going into a drain system of some kind, there can be back pressure in the tube and not let the machine drain properly. So it's really important that this other end is an open drain. And what I mean by an open drain is something like this. You might see this just coming out of the floor, and then you would just take this from the machine and you would just put that in just like that, and that's it. So it's only in there a little bit, and make sure if there is water in this tube, make sure the water is down below where you put this at. This, you don't want this, if you put this down under the water, again, there'd be back pressure and the machine's not going to drain properly. And most equipment, it's just gravity fed, just gravity drain. There's no pump that's shoving water through this tube to the drain. It's just falling down through there. So you need back pressure, and you're going to have backups in the drip tray in the machine. So one little trick I like to try is if you have a tube like this coming out of the floor or out of the wall maybe, and out of the wall, and it comes up like this. This is an adapter, and this is basically 2-inch pipe, but I got an adapter from 2-inch to 3-inch, so now it's like this, and you have a little bit of room in there for this to hang, and this provides a good place. You can drill holes in the side here and run a zip tie through there and secure this drain so it doesn't pop out and flood underneath the counter. So this is just a quick explanation of what an open drain is and why you should use it. So thanks for watching.